Lesson 9, Wooden Heart.
Welcome to COVID Music Do It Yourself Series, Lesson 26. The speciality of this lesson, Wooden Heart, consists in the revision of all the concepts we have seen so far. I shall explain it one by one. In the context of multiple finger changes, it is better that initially you practice it at a tempo of 100, and once your fingers are set, you can increase it to 148. You can see it for yourself. Practice on a 1-2 tempo that is comfortable for you. I'm 75 to 125. Depends on the individual caliber. And once your fingers are set, you can go for that right speed tempo 144. Change. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, change. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest. Your fingers are really set. This is very important. Now it's time to listen to the actual melody with the correct speed 144. love you all. See you again next week with yet another lesson. Until then, Father Tommy Gurula.